What is up, you beautiful blokes and handsome Sheilas of YouTube? My name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video I'm just going to be talking about 3 fragrances that I've been wearing lately. But before I get into that, if you like the content I make here on YouTube, please consider hitting that big red button down below, subscribing to the channel, and also if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, and if you dislike it, give it a thumbs down. So today I'm just going to be talking about 3 fragrances that I've been wearing quite a bit recently, and I'm going to be starting it off with the cheapest one of the bunch, and that is Nautica Classic. You know, I never thought I'd be one to say this, but I'm really taking a shine to fresh and clean fragrances, and in my experience, fresh and clean fragrances do get you the best reactions out in the public. Sweet fragrances will always have a place in anyone's collection, but having said that though, fresh and clean fragrances are just so much more versatile. You can literally wear them in any situation, any occasion, any season. It's just the versatility factor that really helps them stand out from other fragrances. So Nautica Classic, it is the definition of a fresh and clean fragrance. It smells like you just stepped out of a nice shower, and it only costs $15 Australian. I've seen Nautica Classic go down as low as $10 Australian, but when you're really paying under $15 for a fragrance, $1 here or there isn't going to generally break the bank. So I figure if you can pay $15 for this, it is still well worth the money. Performance is solid for a fresh and clean fragrance, about 5 hours. Obviously not the most performative fragrance of all time, but it's still pretty decent. Following that, we've got Kyle's Original Musk. This is one of my personal favorite fragrances because of how gentle and floral it is. It's almost a second skin sort of scent, but not quite, so it's not in molecule territory or anything. The musk here is very clean. There is maybe the tiniest hint of a dirtiness to it in the very opening when it's still raw and in your face, but for the most part this is a very gentle portrayal of musk. It is clean and it is delicate and it is floral as well. Here's the bottle. This is a cute little 50 ml. $100 for 50 ml. It is not the best value fragrance, but the smell itself really makes this worth it for me. Despite being on the pricier side, I will be buying this one again definitely, just because I love the way this one smells. However, you can get a similar effect with Jovan's Musk, and that only costs you $9 at Chemist Warehouse. This you've got to shop online for it, or go into a David Jones or a Maya. $100 for 50 ml. It is going to be a stretch for most people. If you can find a bigger bottle of this, it will be better value, but for the most part, this is one of the best fragrances that I own. It smells fantastic, and I'm a big fan of that floral and musk. It is great. Finally, we've got CK Everyone, the Eau de Parfum, and not the Eau de Toilette. I also forgot to mention that Kyle's Original Musk is a unisex scent as well, so if you are after more unisex scents, then maybe check these 2 out. But CK Everyone, the Eau de Parfum, smells really nice. Fresh, clean, woodsy, aromatic, with some florals in there as well. There is perhaps a touch of clean musk, although it is a significantly different fragrance from Kyle's Original Musk. It's just easy to compare the two, just because they're both in front of me, and CK Everyone, the Eau de Parfum, the floral notes in it are in the same sort of ballpark as Kyle's Original Musk. This isn't a musky fragrance though, even if there is a tiny bit of musk right at the back end of it. It's fresh, it's bright, it's really going to lift your spirits, it's going to reinvigorate you. And at about $50 Australian, it's actually pretty solid value. This is the 100 ml. The true value is in the 200 ml bottle though, because that's under $100 and you do get 200 ml of fragrance, which is pretty solid. Doesn't really matter which of these 3 fragrances you end up with though, whether it's the $15 Nautica Classic, the $100 Kyle's Original Musk, or the $50 CK Everyone Eau de Parfum. Any of these 3 fragrances are worth wearing, and that's why they've been in my rotation lately. They smell fantastic. They're within reason when it comes to pricing, and in all honesty, I've really been gravitating towards that fresh, clean, and floral lately. I'm loving the florals. Anyways, if you've ever worn these before, let me know in the comments below. I look forward to hearing from you in the comments, and until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.